Well, it's time to leave our campsite here in Wisconsin and head to Minnesota. So we're all ready to go.
Okay, we're leaving Brown County Reforestation here in outside Green Bay, Wisconsin, and heading to Love's Truckstop in Minnesota, in Rockville, Minnesota. Okay, we're going through Pulaski now. It's a cute building. Church.
Okay, here we are traveling along on Highway 29 westbound in the middle of Wisconsin, and pretty much it's all farming out here. Lots of farms. I've seen a lot of things grown. They do grow a lot of corn out here. Mostly it's corn that we see. Good day of travel. The road's a little bumpy on here, but we're just about to 94. We got about 6 more miles, and we'll get on Interstate 94.
So we're 36 miles from Minnesota, and here we are coming into the western hills of Wisconsin.
I don't know if that's what they call it, but this is the most hills I've seen in Wisconsin. Just getting ready to leave Wisconsin.
We're going into Minnesota.
Yeah, when you go into Minnesota, it's the land of 10,000 lakes, and you got to learn to say, yeah, you betcha. You also got to learn to say, oofta. So those are some Norwegian, Swedish things that you hear people say a lot. Okay. Here's the dividing line from Wisconsin and Minnesota. We've got the river here, St. Croix River. And this is the dividing line for Minnesota and Wisconsin. So we're in the straddling the states.
So we're heading here to the Loves for the night here in Rockville, Minnesota. It'll be our first time for staying at Love's overnight.
Yeah, we'll try it out and see how it works. But everybody that we've talked to and seen online, they're all pretty happy with it. So we'll try it. And it works good for us. It's a good stopping point for the night, and it works out. My cousin's only a few miles away, so I'll get to see him, which I haven't seen him for quite a while. That's good.
So here we are, parked in slot 3. They only have 6 slots here at this Love's. It's electric and water. They do have a dump, sewer dump if you need to dump. You just park, go inside. If you've already reserved it and everything, just go inside and let them know so that they can get the water and the electric turned on for you. And then you're all set and ready to set up. We're going to unhook for tonight so we can go visit cousin.